Okay, here's the first walk-up video. Fortunately, we don't have a nice sunny day to see everything in its full glory, but it's looking really good. And the ride height on the coilovers, also very nice. See if I can get a little side view here. That's good for the recording. I'm gonna stop now. Under the car here, you can sort of see the new coilovers, which are very nice. You can see at least the top of them right there. And now that the sun's out a little bit, let me just do a little walk around. It's I've been driving it for like the past 30 minutes and everything is great. It feels really good. Sounds great with the new mufflers, Venom Black Widow mufflers, but original GT fluted trumpet exhaust. So the exhaust tips are still the original. It's just the mufflers at the back there that are swapped out. And yeah, ride height is great. It's awesome.